Kevin Fleming, MDF2, Project 4. Start out with the questions. Did I feel prepared for completing the project? I did. In a lot of ways, the project felt like it was more or less going back to some of the fundamentals. Felt really familiar. What's lacking in the course could have made things more clear. I think everything was fairly clear. What concepts were fuzzy or confusing? The only issue I had with the app was requiring a play and stop button on the movie detail page. I felt that it detracted from what the app should have been. We're supposed to be gearing up to make professional apps for release, essentially. And I feel that that was a step back from what could have happened. Demonstrate my app's functionality. I've got my theaters. I have 5 movies for each theater. Select the movie. It'll show the show times for the theater. You can bring the trailer up. You can play from the button, stop from the button. You can go back and work the way back. Go through a short overview of the code. I have files set up for my movies. I have the detail page, the trailer page, the movie sale page all set up. I have all of my films set up. I have the theater started. I create an array for the theaters in order to set up different sections, a section for each theater. I create my array, input all my data for my films, then load them into the array that's created for each theater. Create my section views, my table views, create each cell, return the cells, and then segue for it. And then the similar stuff for each view controller. I have a couple of alerts just because of the using the buttons rather than just using the movie controller that is available. Because of the buttons, I had to use the MP movie player controller. What do I think I could have done better? I do believe I could have done better by actually inputting the movie controller itself rather than simply using a movie page. I think it would have felt more natural. And I could have done a little more design, made it a little more aesthetically pleasing. All in all, I'm very pleased with the way this one worked out. I think it's the best application I've done in this class so far.